Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox error code 262 on your computer. So let's dive right in and get it sorted. Solution 1. First, delete temporary Roblox data from your computer. Do this, type run in the search bar here and click on it. Now type %localappdata% and press enter. From here, scroll down and open up the temp folder. Then find the Roblox folder and delete it. Finally, fire up Roblox and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If the error is still popping up, turn on compatibility options for Roblox. Do this, right-click on Roblox player from your desktop and select Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. Now check the Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 box. Next, select Windows 7 from this menu. Also, check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box. Then, click on Apply and then on OK to save your settings. Now see if Roblox opens up without the error. Solution 3. If you're still getting the error, uninstall and reinstall Roblox from Microsoft Store. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings, click on Apps and then Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the three-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now search for Roblox and install it. Once it's done, just hit the play button and you should be able to play Roblox without this error. So folks, that's how you fix Roblox error code 262 on your computer. If the video was useful to you, please hit the like button. And if you still have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching!